Please subscribe and press the like button and bell icon. You can share this YouTube video with your friends. Thanks for watching. Hello, welcome again. In lesson 6, who is this? What will you learn? How to introduce a friend. Introduce people by saying she is. Link a person to a job. Question: it seems that Arabic use a lot of integration of possessive pronouns. How do I apply these rules in speaking Arabic? Let's move on to the lessons. Lesson 6. Who is this? Hassan. Man hazihi. Man hazihi. Man. Who. Hazihi. This. Man hazihi. Hassan refers hazihi to a female. Hazi is a demonstrative noun which refers to a female gender form. Man hazihi. Suhaila. Hiya sadiqati. Hiya sadiqati. Hiya, she. Sadiqa, friend. The ya here means my. Hiya sadiqati. She is my friend. Hiya sadiqati. Ismuha Maryam. Ismuha Maryam. Ism means name. Ha refers to her. Maryam, Maryam. Ismuha Maryam. Her name is Maryam. Ismuha Maryam. Hiya muwazzafa. Hiya muwazzafa. Hiya, she. Muwazzafa, clerk. Hiya muwazzafa. She is a clerk. Hiya muwazzafa. Suhaila. Ahlan wa sahlan. Ahlan wa sahlan. Welcome. Now it's your turn. Please write it in Arabic. Usage of the phrase. Question: it seems that Arabic use a lot of integration of possessive pronouns. How do I apply these rules in speaking Arabic? Generally, English nouns are fixed, such as friend, book. To create a possessive sentence is by adding the word my and becomes my book. However, there is no gender form. However, Arabic has gender forms which, when in written and speaking, the gender forms exist and applied with possessive pronouns. Arabic has different sets of rules. You can't speak to male person using the female pronoun. In general, we need to insert a suffix. Look at grammar tips. Grammar tips. First tip. To integrate a word with a possessive pronoun, we need to insert a suffix at the end of a noun. Let's look at an example. A male friend in Arabic is Sadiq. Sadiq. To make it a possessive pronoun, just put the suffix at the end of a noun. Observe column 1. Sadiquhu. Huwa. This column, first column, is a separated pronoun. The second column is the possessive pronoun. So you can't connect a word using the separated pronouns. So since Sadiku is a word, when I want to connect to make it a possessive pronoun, I need to use this possessive column here. Okay, it looks different. Huwa Sadiquhu. So I need to join the who here into the Sadiq. Sadiquhu. Whom. Sadiquhum. Just join the whom to the word Sadiq. So this is the original word Sadiq. So just join the word whom. Here. So I use possessive pronoun as her. So I just join the fixed word Sadiqu. I just join the her. It becomes Sadiquha, my female friend. Hunna, hunna, Sadiqu, friend. Hunna, dear friend. That means it's a female friend. Sadiqu hunna. Anta, I use the word ka. Sadiquka. Same word, Sadiqu. I just add the word ka. Sadiquka. It becomes your friend. Anti, I need to use the ki. It becomes Sadiquki. Sadiquki. Ana, I need to use the word ya here. And in front of it must have a kasra, a stroke below. Sadiqi. Sadiqi. So, look at this. Sadiqu. But once if I put the ya here, the ya is stronger, so I need to put a kasra, a stroke below. Sadiqi. The possessive pronouns are fixed, suffix, and will always be the same. However, the Arabic nouns changes strokes at the end of a word, such as subject and predicate. In this instance, the strokes will be Dhamma. It looks like small number 9. Man haza, man haza, man haza. Who is this? Suhaila. Haza sadiqu. Sadiquhu. So the word sadiqu, you have to put a dhamma. You must put a dhamma there because it is a subject. Haza sadiquhu. Take a look at the word sadiqu. The strokes ends with dhamma. Look at the strokes here in front here. This is a dhamma. Let's observe the feminine gender form. Man hazihi. Man hazihi. Who is this? The hazi refers to a female gender form. So reply, hazi sadiqatu. So sadiqu, if I want to make it a feminine noun, I need to put a ta here. Ta, sadiqatu. So who refers to a huwa, he, possessive for he. This is her friend. Hazi sadiqatuhu. So sadiqatu means a girlfriend. Who is a female, is a male. Sadiqatuhu. Sadiqatu means female friend, and the who refers to third party, his girlfriend. Let's look at an example. A female friend in Arabic is sadiqat. Place the suffix at the end of the noun. Observe column 1. Column 1 is a separated pronoun. Column 2 is a possessive pronoun. Sadiqatu is a female noun, and here we need to insert the possessive pronouns. Let's move on. Huwa. Who. Sadiqatuhu. Her friend. A girlfriend. That means who? His girlfriend. Whom. Whom. Sadiqatuhum. Sadiqatuhum. Their girlfriend. Here. Her. Sadiqatuha. Her girlfriend. Her girlfriend. Hunna. Hunna. Sadiqatuhunna. Sadiqatuhunna. Dear for girl. Dear girlfriend. أنت ك صديقتك صديقتك أنت كي صديقتك صديقتك your girlfriend أنا صديقتي my girlfriend أنا يا صديقتي my girlfriend. In row 6, you will notice that the ends of the word has a sign dhamma, whereas row number 7 has no dhamma. The reason is when the letter ya is inserted, the letter ya here is inserted into a word, it is strong and will eradicate a sign dhamma. So once there's a ya, you need to eradicate the dhamma sign. You should not put a dhamma here. Here, no dhamma before it, because ya always displays a stroke below a letter. We call this kasrah.